Welcome to Financial Universe, a channel for those of us who want to understand more about our finances. If you were asked, could you explain what is inflation and what does it mean to diversify, or what are interest and the compound interest? If you're not quite sure, don't worry, because according to a study, 2 out of 3 people around the world don't have it very clear. The good news is that these are easy concepts, and of course we will explain them in this channel. All of them are key elements, since everyone at some point must decide what to do with their money and how to use it wisely. But unfortunately, financial education is not learned in the schools and universities. Therefore, it's up to everyone to understand these principles and apply them. The problem is that many times the concepts can be confusing because we lack clear examples. However, this should not stop us. The best thing to do is to inform ourselves and learn at least the basic principles. This will help us to make better decisions based on knowledge. Situations where we ask ourselves, how can I save more, or where should I invest my savings, are much easier to solve if we understand a few simple concepts. Moreover, the answer to these questions is not always the same, since the most suitable solution might vary depending on the age, income, and personal situation of the questioner. And this is why there is a universe of answers. And in this channel, we will focus on giving you tools to solve these and many other questions, doing it in a simple and clear way. Therefore, if you would like to know more about these topics, we invite you to subscribe to the channel so you can learn the basics of this financial universe.